Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to Discord screen share not working and we are not able to share screen from Discord voice channel. So we are going to see different troubleshooting steps and methods to resolve this issue. We have to follow these troubleshooting steps one by one and then only we will be able to resolve this particular issue. So let's go ahead on my computer screen and check out how we can troubleshoot this issue. So I am on my computer screen and you can see Discord is currently open. So first of all, we have to click over here in the user settings. In the user settings, we have to look for game activity. Click on game activity and you can see there are no games currently added because this is a new Discord. So if you are not able to share screen, then you might try with click on add it over here and then you would find game name over here, like I will show you on my other Discord. So you can see this is the game activity and there are games added in this list. So you have to click on add it and then select whichever game you want to add into this game activity. So you can try this option and then you can check if the issue is resolved or not. If the issue is not resolved, then we have to follow another troubleshooting method. Another troubleshooting method is to go to user settings and then click on voice and video. So in the voice and video, you have to scroll down and you would find this use our latest technology to capture your screen. So you can try to toggle it off and then check if the screen share is currently working or not. If the screen share is currently not working, then we have to follow another troubleshooting method, and to follow another troubleshooting method we have to click on appearance. So click on appearance and then search for hardware acceleration. So this is hardware acceleration. If it is currently on, then you can turn it off and check if this is currently working or not. So it is giving me a message changing the hardware acceleration setting will quit and relaunch Discord. Are you sure you want to do this? Click on OK and then Discord will launch again. So Discord has started again and then you can check if the screen share is currently working or not. If the screen share is not working, then you have to follow another method. Right click on Discord application and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. So now this application is open with administrator rights. The next troubleshooting method is to open a run box and then type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. In the Discord folder, click on the Discord folder and then shift delete to delete this folder. So I'm going to skip this. So the data is deleted but the folder remains because there is one file or some of the files over there. So I will just try it again to delete those folders. So I can skip those folders. Now we can check if screen share is working or not. If the Discord screen share is still not working, then open runbox and type appwiz.cpl, hit enter. It would open control panel, programs and features, select Discord and then click on uninstall. Okay, so the Discord application is currently uninstalled. We have to remove some of the files from the Discord folder. So we have to navigate to percentage app data percentage and then delete this Discord folder. So you can see Discord folder is currently deleted. Then again open the run box, percentage local app data percentage, hit enter and you would find this folder as well. So delete this folder as well. Press shift plus delete key on your keyboard and then hit enter. Now you can just download the Discord from official website and install it again on your computer. So I hope these troubleshooting steps would help you out to resolve this Discord screen share not working issue. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.